Robin CUCHE, 19-year-old from Neuchâtel in Switzerland. Much publicised nephew of Didier CUCHE, silver medal winner at the 1998 Winter Games in Nagano. If there's ever somebody you wanted to take inspiration from, his own uncle wouldn't be a bad start. Again, you see the right leg shake. That's the impairment side for Robin. Impairment affects only his right leg. Means that pushing or feeling the snow much more difficult. The sensations very much different. But CUCHE going at around about 70 kilometers an hour through that section. That's a big wide skid. Can he get back in? No! Well, it's a wide line you have to take through that section of the course, but Robin CUCHE just couldn't use the strength in his left leg to push himself back on the course, and he's devastated. Course is showing some slippery sections. You see there, look, CUCHE desperately trying to get into the left-hander. I think even if he'd have made it, it would have been too tight to have made the turn.